Hi, I'm Jeff with Dakota Pharmacy, and today we're going to continue our topic on sports pharmacy, and we are going to add on to our last video that we did about creatine, something that fits in really well with creatine. A lot of times people supplement them together, and we're going to talk about essential amino acids. Essential amino acids are amino acids that you cannot form in your body. You have to consume them. We have to get them from our diet. And there are basically 9 essential amino acids that we have to consume. The most important of those amino acids is 3 of them called branched chain amino acids. And those 3 are called leucine, isoleucine, and valine. We want to consume those 3 branched chain amino acids in a basically 2:1 formula. So make it simple math for you. Leucine, we should be around 2 grams. And then isoleucine would be 1 gram. Valine would be 1 gram. So again, most high quality protein powders, most high quality essential amino acid powders, or even branched chain amino acid powders already have that ratio built into it. So it's not something you really need to concern yourself with. It's something that's inherently already done for you in a quality product. Branched chain amino acids are really crucial to muscle synthesis, muscle building, maintaining muscle mass as we age. Leucine probably being one of the more critical ones of that. So when we really look at consuming essential amino acids, we kind of dose it off of leucine itself. We like to consume about 39 to 45 milligrams per kilogram per day of leucine. So make that easy math for you. About a 160-pound person would be anywhere from 3 to 4 grams of leucine per day. And doses higher if you want to continue to build muscle mass. And then you'll also see that there's a full spectrum essential amino acid powder and a branched chain amino acid powder. When I talk about a full spectrum, I'm talking about all 9 of the essential amino acids, where branched chain amino acids are just looking at the leucine, isoleucine, and valine. So we find better results using the full spectrum essential amino acids, or all 9 of the essential amino acids, as opposed to just the 3 branched chain amino acids. Even though those are probably more crucial to muscle synthesis, there's a synergistic effect with using all 9 of those essential amino acids. We carry a great product. Thorne makes a great essential amino acid product that I use on a daily basis. I use it in between my meals. You can get it in 2 different flavors, mixed berry flavor and also in the lemon lime flavor. Another product that you can get amino acids in capsule form. I generally don't steer people towards the amino acids in capsules, just because the amount of amino acids in a capsule isn't quite as high as what you can get with a powder. If you're looking to just supplement some amino acids along with like your diet, where you don't want to consume a powder, we could do the capsules, but we better make sure that you're hitting your protein requirements with your food or with a protein powder or something like that. So if you have any questions, come on down, see me here at Dakota Pharmacy.